how to link WhatsApp Business on two phones at the same time. Then, this is actually possible using the built in multi device feature. If you don't have a second phone but still want to link WhatsApp Business on two devices, don't worry. There is another simple way to do it. Instead of using a second phone, you can use WhatsApp's built in multi device feature. First, open WhatsApp Business on your main device. Then, go to the three dot icon on the top right corner. On Linked Devices. Here, select Link a Device. This will allow you to connect WhatsApp Business to another device without needing a separate phone. A QR scanner will open on your screen. Simply scan the QR code from the device you want to connect and wait a few moments for the linking process to complete. Once connected, you can access your WhatsApp Business account on both devices and manage your chats, messages, and business activities more conveniently. And that's how you can link your WhatsApp Business account to multiple devices using the official WhatsApp feature.